We've just released fixturemate 2.2. Here are some new features we've introduced that help you to design fixtures much faster. When you import a workpiece, it will be randomly assigned a colour. The marker point will always display in the colour of the workpiece. We've done this so you can easily distinguish between different workpieces and their marker points. Change the workpiece colour by right-clicking the marker point and using the colour picker. If you're using a perforated panel base plate, we've now introduced a circular option. Circular base plates are especially useful for CMM operations. You can also notice that the numbers and letters on the 3D gizmo are larger than they used to be, to help with readability. We've also introduced a new way to simplify the geometry of your workpiece. By right-clicking on the marker point and selecting Simplify Geometry, you can close out unnecessary holes in the workpiece, making it easier to create pockets and cutaways. You can do this for both the X and Y directions of the workpiece. Another new feature we've introduced is automated patterns. Using this, you can sketch out a support piece as normal and then multiply it in an X or Y direction. This is a huge time saver because it means you don't have to sketch out each element individually. Each support element will dynamically adjust its height to make contact with the workpiece. If you want to edit the support element characteristics individually, you can disable the automated pattern option. If you're working with individual support elements, whenever a workpiece is moved or the base plate height changes and supports are already created, we've also added the option to adjust the height of all supports in order to keep cavities or contact points. If you move your workpiece in a Z direction, a dialog box will appear asking if you want your support height to adapt automatically. You can read all about the features introduced in fixturemate 2.2 by checking out the release notes. To use fixturemate 2.2, no download is necessary. Just log into fixturemate as usual and it's ready to go. We hope you enjoy it.